warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to make ice chocolate drink.
Go from the right is.
My name is Fadlan.
My name is Martono.
My name is Putri Chandra Kirana.
My name is Fatim.
My name is Antoni Bahri.
Then after that we will go to the first step.
Step 1, the ingredient. First, we have ice cube. Number 2, we have a condensed milk. Number 3, we have chocolate milk. And number 4, we have a bang bang drink.
The second step, the tools. There is pan mixer, spoon, and glass.
So, the third step of making this is we make the drink. The first, we add bang bang drink. We put all of it. We add the condensed milk. The third, we add the hot water. And we stir it.
After that, we add chocolate milk and ice cube.
And stir the drink. And ready to be enjoyed.
Ulangin dan hafalan kata-katanya kan.
Gak bisa diulang 2 kali.
Oh,
Perasaan dia kaku.
iya.
Spontan.
Mungkin kau dapat perannya, tapi hanya sebagai bayang-bayangnya saja.
Aduh,
Padahal
sakit.
Damon ya.
Apa sih anjir radang?
Ya.
Coba lo gua apa?
Serius banget tuh.
Sini aja gini.
Aku mau kayak gitu nih.
Kamu mau tahu ini senjata apa? Ini senjata untuk tembak hati.
Iya.
Ini
Ompatin.
manis banget. Kayak mukanya dia.
Itu sungguh cerita bohong lah. Ntar Powerman marah nih.
Maaf, Orman.
Even though